welcome to my channel again. I hope you enjoyed my last video yesterday. So today is a whole brand new look, whole new me. My makeup did, had to get my makeup did a little bit because the last video I basically couldn't put my makeup on because I was putting a face mask. But today I could beat my face. And I'm actually showing you guys my summer Walmart box. I'm super excited about it because look at it, it's so summery, and also because it has all the summer products that Walmart recommends for the season. So since the summer's ending, I know I should have showed it to you guys when I first got it, but like I said, I was sick in my last video for about almost a month, and so I couldn't really show my products because I was really sick. So I'm showing it to you now, and I'm super excited to open it with you guys. So here we go. Okay, so I haven't opened the box yet. That's a lie. I definitely did because I needed some shampoo. They definitely had a shampoo sample, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And when I was sick, I needed to wash my hair because I had really bad fever. So I didn't have shampoo. Don't judge me, I'm a broke college student. So I used one of the shampoos. I'm going to tell you guys about it in a few, but I'm going to open it now. Right now, every Walmart box says, embrace your beauty. I always try with you guys. It has a little pink, it has little pink flowers and paper. And it is also, says to enter for a giveaway, for a gift card for Walmart. Always do, because you never know. And you can buy online if you don't have a Walmart next to you. So I'm gonna continue opening this box. Oh, they gave me two. Can't apply it twice though. So they gave me the Remembrance wet whitening kit again. So this is an update for the last Walmart box, you guys. So I actually used my last Remembrance 3-day whitening kit from my spring box, and it made my teeth super white. Okay, you can't see it, but it looks great. And this one also has a soothing Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 moisturizing day and night mask. You guys know I'm getting masks left and right. What are they trying to tell me? Like, is my skin dirty, you guys? No, I'm kidding. I appreciate this. I'm so sorry for that noise. They swear that they have motorcycle stuff outside. Like, they can't race. Whatever. But yeah, like I was saying, I got so many masks, you guys. I'm so excited about this. It smells like roses, apparently. Oh, I also got a Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1-minute hair mask and papaya extract. Awesome. Good stuff. And this is the wax ready strip, you guys. Strip ready. You know, for the summer you can't be hairy. Like, that ain't cute. So they set me up good because they know I'm Dominican, I'm hairy. So it's a wax ready strip, the fastest wax strips ever, and with $1 off coupon. Cool stuff. Look at that. And oh, they have wipes. So they also sent me Kleenex wet wipes, Gentle Clean. I definitely need I definitely need these. I'm going to put them in our bathroom because they're awesome when you gotta wipe, wet wipes. And now comes the coupon, you guys. So this box wasn't as packed with stuff as the other one, as the spring box, but they definitely tell you little coupons in this. So this is for a coupon for the Soothing Moisturizing 3-in-1 Skin Mask to nourish your skin. Good stuff. Then they have the hair treatment, the hair mask for Garnier Fructis is actually a 1-minute mask. You put it on, they got different flavor, they got different smells. For dry hair, they have the one with coconut. For smooth frizzy hair, they have the one with avocado. I love avocado. Then they have the one for protect color vibrancy with papaya, and damaging repairing with papaya. And then they have the straighten weak hair with banana. So I believe I got another sample of these from Pinch Me, and I'll be showing you that in our haul video I'm doing one day, one of these video weeks. Then I have another coupon from Remembrant. I'm just stacking up. This is good until the end of the year, you guys. Look at that. End of the year. I got $2 off for the week, Whitney. That's pretty legit. I've used the other one. And then this is for the soap that I used, you guys. So Palmer's is actually making natural fusion shampoos now. So it's shampoo and conditioner. I can honestly say they gave me the one that has rose oil. It smells so good. Like, you guys don't even know. Like, I was so sick and I still smelled that rose oil. Like, my mom was like, why you smell so good and you sicky? I was like, because you know you gotta smell good. But no, on a serious note, it was really good. It was really soft. I had a condition in which my hands, I couldn't really feel things as much in my hands. They were really sensitive, so I couldn't really feel my hair even though I was washing it. So I had to tell my mom, like, is it clean? Is it clean? Does it smell good? And it did. So I will be buying the Palmer's Natural Fusion Rose Oil shampoo and conditioner anytime. Let me tell you now. And that is actually the end of my box. I'm so super sad. So I'm gonna give you guys an update. I actually used my soft soap from last Walmart box. It was so soft. It smelled like it was cucumbers. I don't know if you guys remember. Go watch my last Walmart video. And it was so good. It was from like a month ago, so you guys should go watch it. And the soap was super soft, super good. Like I said, it was a travel size one. It was really small, but it was so good because for like the interval between the little bit of soap that's left and the soap that you gotta waste, I needed it and it was good. And then I went to Target and bought like the bigger soap, but that was good for the moment. And it was really soft and really good for my skin. And then I used, like I said, the whole blends Oat Delicacy a shampoo and conditioner for my hair, as well as the new Palmer shampoo, because I didn't have shampoo for like that little bit, that like two days in interval until like I bought other soap or my mom bought it, or shampoo. So it came in handy. It's super soft, and I will be buying that. I still have the coupon from my spring box. It's still good, so I'll be using that again. And also I also used the mask that they gave me, the Soe mask, and the overnight mask, and it was so good. So that's an update for my Walmart box. I definitely recommend all those products. Even though they're little samples, they come in handy because it's things that you don't really think about, like, oh, should I buy this? Should I, get this, or is it worth it? And it is. So I recommend it. Again, I will be putting the link below on my description box for you to join the Walmart box. The Walmart box, again, is $5, you guys. If you haven't watched my last video for the Walmart spring box, it's $5 for shipping. So the Walmart box is absolutely free. You are only paying for the shipping. And then after you get it's 4 boxes a year. So 1 for every season. If you want to not be subscribed to the Walmart box anymore, you just unsubscribe and take your card off, and that's it. Like, there's no if, buts, or ands about it. There's no issue, and no one's gonna be mad at you. Like, it's no problem. But I do recommend it because those little moments in which you don't have, like, who's gonna like randomly pop up and be like, hey, I need a whitening strip. You have it. I don't gotta think about that. I just went to my Walmart box. Like, there we go. I got white bees now, you guys. I don't gotta buy them. I got white bees. I mean, they're not gonna last forever, but they're really good investment. So for $5, I get a little bit of goodies, and I don't need to think about it for that little interval of moment that I'm like, oh wait, I'm between soaps. I got soap. I got a small soap, but that soap comes in handy, you guys, for a broke college student. So think about it. So yeah, so I'm gonna put that link below. I hope you guys liked this video. I know it was short because it kind of compensated with my last video. It was fair. It was a little long. But the other one, go check out my last video. It's also me using the Origins Clear Improvement Charcoal Honey Mask. It nourishes your skin, and honestly, my mom even saw it after she used it today, and she even told me, like, your skin is looking poppin'. Of course, she speaks Spanish, so she was like, "Que suave se te ve el rostro," and I was like, "Thank you." So, and I mean, I'm wearing makeup today, but you guys will see it in the video. If you go watch my video, you'll see it, my last video. So thank you guys so much. Have a great day, and subscribe, like this video if you liked it, and comment below and share with your friends and let them know Walmart boxes, what's up. And also, I'll see you guys on Friday, because this video will be up tomorrow on Thursday. Sassy Thursdays. So see you guys Friday.